Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, I will guide you through setting an ID for your profile on the Line app. Creating a unique ID makes it easier for friends and contacts. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, tap on Profile to open your personal profile settings. After that, click on the section for ID. Here, you can enter a unique ID that you want to use. Once you have typed your desired ID, tap on Check to see if it is available. If the ID is already taken, you will need to try another one until you find one that works. Finally, when you find an available ID, click on Save. Then click on OK to confirm your ID. From now on, other users will be able to search for your account using the ID you set, which makes connecting much easier. ID in Line helps you be discovered by others easily and adds convenience to your profile. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others.